This is the part of success people skip. Warren Buffett was 19 years old when a Harvard alumni told him to his face that he was not ready. 10 minutes. That was the entire interview. He had built his whole future around that school. One conversation erased it. He went home embarrassed. No plan, no backup. Just the sting of a door closing in his face. But while scrambling to figure out what came next, he found something. Benjamin Graham, the father of value investing, was teaching at Columbia Business School. Buffett applied immediately. Graham became his mentor, his foundation, the entire blueprint for how he would eventually become the greatest investor who ever lived. The Harvard room was never the right room. He just could not see that until he was forced out of it. So if something just fell apart on you, a job, a plan, a path you were certain about, sit with this. The rejection did not end your story. It just stopped you from walking into the wrong one.